Does alcohol cause cancer?
Alcohol, which is ethanol, is toxic to every cell in your body. It's toxic to your brain, toxic to your heart, toxic to your nerves, toxic to your liver. The beneficial aspects of beer and red wine have nothing to do with the alcohol itself. It has to do with what makes red wine red, which is the polyphenols that come from the fermentation. So if you removed all the alcohol and just had a glass of non-alcohol, de-alcoholized red wine, you'd get the benefits. And beer, similarly, it's the hops in the beer, the barley, that actually wind up having the benefits, the polyphenols that actually come off of it. But I would say there's many countries, including the Mediterranean countries, supposedly the healthiest diets in the world, they do drink wine. So to me, it's really, this is kind of a judgment thing. Alcohol is part of humanity. It's a social custom. Alcohol is used to celebrate weddings, funerals, birthdays, holidays, major events. The key is not to overconsume alcohol. And here's the reason why. Moderation does matter. I mean, for sure, it does. Smoking 1 cigarette is different than smoking 100 cigarettes. I mean, that's obviously true. Just recognize the alcohol in the wine isn't good for you. It's a toxin. And the more you drink, the more toxic it's going to be.